Hey guys, Ryan Zickafoos, Walnut Ridge Family RV Sales, and guess what? It's time for another edition of Feature Friday. Today, we're going to talk about the 2022 Puma 22 FKC. If you're looking for a couples coach, under 5,500 pounds, under 25 feet, well, you might like this one. Let's take a look at some of the features on the outside, and then we'll get to the good part on the inside. Just want to show you the front cap here. You got a nice big windshield. You got your nice smooth front with your rock guard down here, protect your investment. You have two 20-pound LP tanks under here. You have your power tongue jack here as well. This is going to be also prepped for solar. If you do want to add solar, your hookup is right here. To couple with your power tongue jack up front, you do have power stabilizers in front and back. Not to mention, like I said, this coach is under 25 feet. Look at the length of this awning. It's basically the full length of the coach. And then, of course, you have the LED light strip below that. You have outside speakers below that. And then even further below, you have your stacked outside kitchen. So you have your griddle here, and then your mini fridge. You know, so even for a smaller coach, you still get the comforts of the outdoor kitchen. And then you have a big storage area back here. Spray port, your TV hookup, and you have your cable hookup here, and then a 110 outlet. But let's go inside this bad boy. All right, guys, so here we are inside the 22 FKC. The FK part is front kitchen. So as you can see behind me, your kitchen area, lots of countertop space, big wide open farm style sink with your faucet sitting above. I talked about the windshield on the outside. Here's your view of it from the inside. Cabinets above your countertop here as well. Your 3-burner cooktop. It does have the glass top if you do need some extra prep space. Fold that back up to protect your backsplash. Sitting up above that's going to be your microwave. And then you've got lots of pantry space here. Put your dry goods, whatever you want in that. Angled from your kitchen countertop. This table comes with it. You can move this table wherever you want. If I move this table out of the way, you have your jackknife sofa here. The middle folds down. If you want a couple cup holders, like I said, this is a couples coach, so each of you can sit, have your drink right there. If you lift that couch up, you do have storage underneath. You could put your table under there. You could put blankets, whatever you'd like. Right across from that is going to be your fridge, and then your mount here for a TV. Talk about the fridge a little bit. This is the 11 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator, so it gives you plenty of space. You can put whatever you like in it. Plus, don't forget, you still have the outside refrigerator, so if you need to store extra drinks, you can. Like I said, you have the mount here already installed for your TV. This is a universal mount, so it'll pretty much match with any smaller TV. You know, you don't have a whole lot of space here, so, you know, 50 inches aren't going to fit here, but smaller than that will work. That sits above. You got a little bit of countertop space, then your radio, and then storage below that. And then you come right back here to your bathroom. Once you get into your bathroom, you can see you've got storage for towels. There's a big cabinet back there. That sits right above your toilet, your corner shower, and then you've got your medicine cabinet for all your toiletries right above your sink, and then you have storage below your sink. And then one of my favorite things about this floor plan in particular, even though it is a smaller coach, you can still walk around both sides of your bed. As you can see, it's the east-west bed. Now, this is not on a slide, but it gives you the feel that you have a much larger bedroom. So I can walk around both sides. I have storage underneath this bed. I have storage on each side of the bed, above the bed, and then storage in the middle as well. This is a full queen bed. You do get the separate bedroom, even with this being a smaller coach. So really, a pretty unique floor plan with lots of storage, lots of space for prep, countertop space, and just a great couples coach overall. And you still do have a little bit of floor space if you do want to bring 1 or 2 guests. So if you get a chance, come out and check this one out. This is the 22 FKC Puma, and This is Feature Friday. Thanks, guys.